I'm Chris Luke. I'm the managing partner here at Sawblade.com, and today we're on location at one of our customers cutting with the Q501 series structural steel blade. It comes from sizes 1/2 inch all the way up to 2 5/8. It's primarily designed for structural steel, tubing, pipe, and is very popular in the fabrication industry and welding industry.
Hi, Daniel here again. Here we're premiering our IC band type saw blade. This blade is designed for interrupted cut, structural type steel. Not too much exotics, but great for when you're cutting anything structural.
We're running an 1.5 inch blade here on a Velox saw today, cutting some pipe. And as you can see, it's making pretty quick work of it. It's pulling a pretty good chip.
Normally when you're coming in on any kind of I-beam or structural type of material, you always want to start off kind of slow, as in general. And then once you get into the meat of the part, that's when you can kind of crank down on the pressure.
The main advantage of this blade is it reduces tooth strippage. So you can run the blade full out without worry of the tooth stripping on interrupted cuts.
So you don't have to worry about ripping your teeth out on any kind of material that normally would really rip a teeth out. So say you're coming through a thin wall tube, or say some angle iron where you're coming at an interrupted cut, this blade is designed for that.